So guys, today I will be showing you how to create a Gmail account. So basically what we are going to do, the first thing that you do, we open your browser, search create new Gmail account. So once you search to the browser Gmail account, so if you want to create a new email, what you're going to do, you scroll down and you come here, create a Gmail account. Below you'll see a button, create an account. You click. So here you insert your details, the two names or one name. Then you click next. So after that, you are taken to a next window where you're going to then you click next. So once you click next, you are given a number of options of new email accounts which you can choose from, or you can create your own. So for my case, I'll proceed with the first one. It appears quite, it sounds well to me since my YouTube channel is called Freaky DPU. So I'll proceed and select the first one, Freaky DPU. Then I click next. So after now you have selected your email account, the next step is to create your email password. So I'll insert my password, then I click next. So you can see to my side, Google automatically links me to Kenya. You can see the Kenyan flag, so that it has detected my current location. So what I'll do, I'll just proceed, insert my number. This number shall be used as a recovery number when I forget the Gmail login account. So you are not supposed to insert 0 at the beginning. So just proceed to the next number, that is 7. Then we click next. So after that, Google sends a Gmail code to verify if that number is active. Then I click next. So once you have confirmed your number, the next thing that it proceeds to, you want a recovery email. A recovery email is in case of the number it fails, then you have another option of a recovery email. So for the recovery email, I'm going to use my personal Gmail account. Then you click next. Then next again, yes, I'm in. Just click yes, I'm in. Then you click next. Then we are going now to scroll down. I agree. So what you're going to do, you see no, thanks. So we proceed and click on the Gmail icon. You see, Gmail icon. Wow, we are taken to a Gmail account. Now this is our page. This is our account, active one. So you see, Freaky finish setting up your new Google account. So this is the first message, email message that you receive from Google once you create your new Gmail account. Kindly urge you to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome for the next content. See you in the next content.